Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making spicy chicken barbecue. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe after watching. For the seasoning we need ginger and garlic paste, paprika and onion powder, salt and bouillon powder, chicken seasoning. We need some thyme, parsley and all-purpose seasoning. And also some white and black pepper. Mix all up together. After mixing, I will take a tablespoon and keep aside for our barbecue sauce. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Time to wash our chicken. When I'm done washing, I pat dry the chicken. This will help make it crispy. Now add the seasoning to the chicken and mix well. Make sure that the seasoning gets to all the chicken. What I've done here is I line a foil pan with a foil sheet and I sprinkle some seasoning on it before I lay my chicken. After laying the chicken on the pan, I will go ahead and sprinkle some more seasoning on the chicken. Then I'll put it in the oven and bake it for like 20 minutes. While the chicken bakes, time to make our sauce. In a bowl, I add a cup of barbecue sauce, then I add the seasoning we took out earlier. I'll add some hot pepper powder. Now this will depend on how hot you want your chicken. Add a half cup of water and mix. Now our chicken has baked for 20 minutes. We are going to take it out now and flip the side. When I flip the side, I'm going to bake for another 20 minutes. After that, I will take it off the oven and apply the barbecue sauce on it. After applying the sauce, I'll put it back in the oven for like 3 minutes and it will be ready to serve after that. Guys, I can tell you this was crispy on the outside and very tender inside.